So prior to the end of the inspection period, the buyer has to submit a specific document to us stipulating how they want to proceed. This document is called the Buyer Inspection Notice and Seller's Response. To save some time, we're going to refer to it as the BINSR. So on this BINSR, the buyer has three options to choose from. The first one is they can accept the property in its current condition and proceed with the purchase. The second option is they can ask the seller to make specific repairs that have to be listed out. The third option, they can just cancel the contract and get a refund of the earnest deposit and move on with their life. We're going to assume that they are asking us to make certain repairs to the home. So now that we received the document with a list of repairs that the buyers want made, we now have 5 days before we have to respond to their request. During those 5 days, we're obviously going to review the document. We're going to take a look at the items. We're going to determine what you want to consider repairing or not. We'll probably just get a bid for repairing all of those items. And then before the 5th day that we have to respond, we'll obviously have to determine what repairs you are willing to make, what repairs you're not willing to make. So you can choose to make all of the repairs. You can choose to negotiate and say, we'll make these repairs, but not these repairs. We can also respond and say the seller's not willing to make any repairs at all. That's an option. Another option is that we can also try to negotiate crediting the buyer a certain amount of money in lieu of making any repairs at all. So for this example, we're going to assume that you are going to try to negotiate and accept making some of the repairs, but not all of them. So that's how we're going to respond. And so now the buyer has 3 days to either accept or reject your offer. And if they reject your offer, then basically the purchase contract is canceled. They get their earnest deposit refunded to them and they move on, and we move on and find another buyer. If they accept your offer, then that inspection period is now done. And now those repairs have to be completed, and we have to provide receipts to the buyer within 3 days before closing escrow.